Okay, so this recording is for anyone that did not get to see the live demonstration in class. I like to call this the Lazy Recycler demonstration. So we're going to start with a water bottle, and that's to put water in 2 Rockstars here. These are empty cans of Rockstar. It has an ice bath and a hot plate that I'm going to put this can on. And these tongs will be for when it's time to take our final step in this activity. So ultimately, I am going to let that can sit on the hot plate till I can see some puffs of air coming out. As we are waiting for that to happen, what I want you to think about is, what is the control group in this experiment? What is the test group? What is changed or manipulated, also known as the independent variable, between the control group and the test group? And in just a moment, I'm going to show you what the responding variable is. But we're going to give it a little bit of time. So I want you to think about that. What's the control group? What's the test group? And what is manipulated between the control group and the test group? Take a look and see how it's doing. And if you look closely, you can actually see a little bit of hovering, like the gas molecule sneaking out the top there a little bit. You're very close. You can also see my whiteboards in the background for the classroom and the tables that you would normally be sitting at if we were not on the stay-at-home order. So I am going to take these tongs now, and I'm going to take my first can, and we're going to flip it upside down. I'm not grabbing my hand so it doesn't have such an issue. All right, and as you can see, not too exciting. Here's my original can. All right, take this other one. And there it is. In the camera. Which is why I call this the Lazy Recycler demonstration. So there is your end result between the two. Now take a moment to answer the 5 questions on your Canvas, hopefully to earn a perfect score. Have a good one.